Hey guys, welcome back to our how-to video series. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to synchronize your campaign information between your Vtiger CRM and MailChimp with our Vtiger MailChimp integration tool. So here I'm done with my setup. To know about it, you can refer to our installation and configuration video. You can find the video URL in the description below. Initially, I'm going to create a new campaign in my MailChimp. And I'm just going to add the recipient. So now let's bring this campaign information to our Vtiger CRM. Before proceeding to the campaign synchronization, you must synchronize all your lists related to that particular campaign. Here the list related is 3BHK. So previously I have synchronized all my MailChimp lists to Vtiger CRM. To know about it, you can refer to our list synchronization video. Now let's head back to campaigns. So now click on Sync Campaigns. So initially you need to fetch all the campaigns from your MailChimp. For this, click on this icon. Now let's proceed the mapping part. So here's the campaign mapping. Click on Save. So once done, now let's synchronize the campaign information. Again, click on Sync Campaigns. Choose your campaign here. In my case, it's 3BHK flats. Now click on Sync. So once done, just refresh the page. So here is my campaign. Now let's synchronize the campaign information from Vtiger CRM to MailChimp. Going to add a new campaign here. Just adding some of the necessary details. Choose your campaign type. And then choose your list here. So I have added all the necessary details. Now enable this checkbox Sync to MailChimp to synchronize your campaign information, and now click on Save. So once the information is saved in your Vtiger CRM, it will be automatically synchronized to your MailChimp. Now let's check in my MailChimp account. So here it is. Within few simple steps, you can easily synchronize all your campaign information or list information between your Vtiger CRM and MailChimp. To know more about our Vtiger MailChimp integration tool, you can refer to our product pages. You can find the URL in the description below. Thank you for watching.